So we come down here to Papple's farm down here in southern Indiana. We brought Adrian Nicholson with us, and he's going after his first bird. We got here a little bit before 6. Sunrise is going to be 6:30, so we're in the same setup as Maddie, me, and Pappo killed ours in, so hopefully he can get it done. It's been raining for the last week. Hopefully they're on their feet and ready to do some breeding, if not doing some eating. So hang in there.
There I was, back in the wild again, and I felt right at home, where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again, just like it happened so many times before. Hey, Maddie!
Well, it's about 7:30, and they've been gobbling all morning, but all of a sudden the crows started going nuts, and we looked out to our left, and a huge bobcat went coming across the field. So I wasn't able to get on it quick enough and get video of it, but hopefully that thing ain't scared all the turkeys off. So, it's cold, wet, so hopefully they'll come in to eat. So we had 3 jakes come in from our right, and they seen the jake decoy out there with the breeding in. They didn't want to come in, so it's pretty late in the season. So I just ran out there and grabbed it and brought it in, and just kept the lookout in. So I think they're getting a little fidgety if the tom and jake decoys. So we'll just keep her out there, and hopefully she'll bring something in. We had 3 toms and a jake come in over here to the left, about 75-80 yards. Stayed over there and fed. Had a little bit of gobble, but they would not come into the decoy. Tried calling. They weren't interested, so they headed back to the south. We'll see what happens. Maybe they'll come back out here in a little bit. we had a bobcat come out earlier, and then we just looked off to our right, and not 10 yards, there was a coyote come out. Well, then Adrian shoots it. I couldn't get the camera on it. Then all of a sudden he looks down at the other end, and here comes one. And we finally got the camera around, but only had about that much of the hole. And he spun right when I said, "Are you ready?" And Adrian, I think, gave him a butt ache. So he spun. He's hit, but I don't know if we'll find him. But we've got one coyote laying down there, another one hit, and no turkeys. First turkey right there. First turkey right there. We've been out here for 7-8 hours now, since about 5:30 this morning. Had not had a tom come anywhere near us. Kevin just taps me and says, "Here he is." I look over, he's 15 freaking yards from us. Scorpion crossbow. We just drilled that thing. He's down. Thought I made a bad shot, but that's my first tom turkey. Dead ringer broadheads and executioner black eagles. They hit their mark. That was awesome. Hey, Adrian. There's your coyote.
First kill of the morning.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Man, he's been breeding like crazy.
Yeah, he is.
Look at him. He's got been packed. Fighting and everything else, ain't he?
Brought Adrian down here, and Maddie killed hers opening day of youth weekend, and then me and Peppo killed ours opening day. And this is the first time Adrian's turkey hunted with me, and I tell you what, that was a heck of a shot. He got his first turkey, and let me tell you, he's a bruiser. Look at that. He's been fighting. He's a good 3.5-year-old bird. Good job, buddy.
Thank you.
Good job.
Great time.
All right,
It was fun.
let's go over and see Papa.
Alrighty. Where's that? No, he broke the freaking arrow.
No.
There I was, back in the wild again. And I felt right at home, where I belong. I had that feeling coming over me again. Just like it happened so